Let me show you how to add background image and 3D object in Adobe Dimension. This tutorial is inspired from Panther. Click on three-dot icon and follow settings. You can keep resolution as you wish. Click on Create. Add plane. Rotate x-axis to 90 degree. Hold arrow and move z-axis till base. Then from Actions select Convert to Standard Model. Then select Place Graphic on Model. Select the background image from File. Use right-click to rotate. Hold Shift key and drag to resize image. Select torus from Shapes. Position the torus according to background. Use arrow of axis to move. Use dot on axis to rotate object. While scaling, hold Shift key to equally resize the shape. Use square of axis to scale. Set pipe radius to 4 cm. Decrease the size of torus according to background image. Position it accordingly. Go to Camera. Keep all axis rotation to 0 degree. Place cursor near any axis and left-click and drag left-right to position it. Close the models and from Materials add glass. Click on Preview Render. Select torus and change the base color as you wish. I am using blue color. Open translucence. You can set the index of refraction. Adjust the background according to front object. Set the view using camera. Now to crop, click on pixel size. On height, hold and drag left to decrease height. After setting up proper viewport, click on Render. Name the file. Set quality. Select the format. Set file location. Click on Render. It will take some time to render and automatically save it as per settings done. This is the final result. That's it for today. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel and let me know in comments.